गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, आदाब। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टॉक्स विद सिमरनजीत सिंह। मैं हूं सिमरनजीत सिंह। टुडे दिस इज़ फर्स्ट टॉक विद मिस्टर कान्हा अग्रवाल and Mr. Ankit sir for my YouTube channel Talks with Simranjit Singh. So I would like to welcome Mr. Kanha and Mr. Ankit sir on my YouTube channel Talks with Simranjit Singh. So let's start exclusive talk with Mr. Kanha firstly. तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि जो कान्हा हैं महज 13 साल के हैं, जो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते हैं। बाकी कान्हा से हम लोग बात करेंगे इस बारे में, और कान्हा के टीचर्स भी यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, अंकित सर, उनसे भी हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो आज स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कान्हा, आई वांट टू नो अबाउट यू एंड वेयर आर यू स्टडी फर्स्ट।
Hello, my name is Kanha. As sir just told you, I am in 8th grade. The thing is, I live in Arizona, USA. I go to the school, which is an online school. This school is called Khan World School.
So what does your father and mother?
Okay, well, my father, he is a chemical engineer. He works at Intel. On the other hand, my mother, she is an electrical engineer and she publishes books.
Okay. Now I have heard that you are preparing for robotic competition. So tell me a little about it.
Okay, so you see, I participate in something called VEX Robotics. Last year, I participated in VEX IQ. For your information, VEX IQ is a program that really empowers elementary and middle schoolers to create their robots, take them to competition, and complete a specific game. Here, last year at the World Championships, I got to interview the founder of this organization. His name was Bob Mimlich. Now, as I am going a level up, I have to learn CAD. I'm transitioning from VEX IQ to VEX V5. Here, I use metal parts to assemble robots. Here, I design, build, and document robots. To complete the designing aspect, I have joined this wonderful center, CAD Center.
So I want to know about which software have you learned from it?
Okay, so at this CAD Center, I needed to really assemble a robot based off of the library provided by VEX IQ. My sir, Ankit sir, identified that the best software, the best beginner software in fact, to do so would be SolidWorks. We got together, downloaded the library, and mastered this program. Not only did my wonderful teacher teach me assembly with the provided VEX IQ parts, but he also taught me how to design these library parts and create an engineering drawing drafting of them. Now, completed with this program, my teacher is teaching me the software Fusion 360 assembly with the same library but in a different program.
Okay, sir, and I want to add something in this.
Yes, Ankit sir,
And,
please.
my friend, sir, I will say that he has not just completed SolidWorks and Fusion 360. Even he's very good in designing, in assembly and drafting.
Okay.
He has creativity
Oh.
in these all things. Yeah.
That's
and I'll try to show you the one or more design that he has created. He has created very good design. He assembled very well.
That's good.
Yeah. He's good in designing also.
Okay, now question is from Kanha. Kanha, I want to know about you. Are you interested in programming as well?
Well, yes, I am. In fact, in the American Institute Code Ninjas, I have completed all the levels. I am one out of not many of those in America whom have achieved the title of Black Belt in coding. Well, here I learned the programming languages of basic Scratch, then JavaScript, then Python, Lua with Roblox game design, finally multiple levels of the C# programming Microsoft language and Unity game design. I use these principles in my robotics. You see, the programming that I do, I heavily enjoy, and I use the principles in my day-to-day life.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
show
please.
you designing of
Oh,
and
nice.
assembly of Kana.
Oh.
He has assembled this one, and so very, I'll say that a very beautiful design and assembly.
Oh, I'm showing you. This is Kana Projects.
Yeah,
Wax.
Vex,
I think
yeah, Vex assembly.
competition project,
Yeah.
and name is Kana Agrawal. Trainer name is Ankit sir. This is and software Fusion 360 SolidWorks, and date is 2/27
Yes, and
24.
he has created views also in drafting.
Okay, that was nice. You can see.
Back one page.
Oh.
Yes, at this page, he has created view of this.
You can see here top view and front view and bottom view and right view by Kana.
Yeah, he's very good in designing and
Okay,
drafting. Yeah.
that's nice, Kana. Congratulations
Thank
for
you.
this
Yeah.
competition, and thank you, Ankit sir.
Yeah, so just before moving on, I wanted to state the fact that none of this would have been possible without the extreme dedication that all the coaches and teachers, especially Ankit sir, has portrayed. He has worked extremely hard with his own passion, not caring about the cost, and has taught me everything from his heart.
So, Kana, I want to know about what would you like to tell something related to this robotic competition?
Nothing much more. All I wanted to say is due to this robotic competition, I'm able to explore a huge amount of genres. For example, the experience of me coming to India, me learning this CAD. With that, really me getting to work on my speaking abilities with this podcast and many others.
So, what is the name of your robotic competition? Please tell.
Yeah. Just so you all can remember, the name of this robotics program that I am doing is called VEX. VEX.
Oh, VEX. Competition name is VEX. What is the full form of VEX?
So I'm not really sure. VEX robotics, I guess it's a kind of a word the creators of VEX made themselves to signify
Actually,
this
Vex is a
robotics
company.
program.
Yes, yes, please.
And this company organizes every year the Vex competition. It's a robotics company. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, fine. That's nice. So, I want to know about how did you find out about the CAD Center? Please tell me.
Okay, so as I've stated earlier, to complete the designing portion in my robotics, I had to CAD my robot. You cannot really go cut those C channels without really cutting those C channels online, without really planning out your robot. I had come here for my vacations in India, and I identified that this skill was necessary to know. So I went ahead and I researched all programs available near my house, near me. I found this CAD center, and due to the thankful staff here, the dedicated staff, they altered their syllabus to
Thank
make
you,
it best
Kana.
for me.
I want to know which software have you learned from CAD Center and Ankit sir? Please tell me.
So at CAD Center, I have, as I've stated, learned SolidWorks, the three components: designing, assembly, and drafting. With that, I'm also exploring new pathways with the software Fusion 360.
And you have completed sheet metal also.
Yes, just
Yeah.
today.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Would you like to say something about the CAD Center, please?
Oh yeah, CAD Center is actually a wonderful center. Well, why do I say this? I say this because first of all, the people, the staff here, the owners here, everybody, first of all, they make you feel like home. With that, as I said, they alter their syllabus to make it best for you, really giving you, providing a master of you in that specific field. They don't care about their cost. They care about best output of their students. I really love this CAD center, and it will do good things for India, very good things.
So, okay, before going ahead, I will.
Yes.
I would like to say something about Kana. He has not just completed this software from this institute. Even he knows very language in computer field or technical field. We can say that he
Yes.
knows, as he has discussed like about Java, Python.
Yes.
Along with that, he is studying in 8th class, and he has completed math of 12th class or 11th class. He is going to complete 12th class. He has completed math of 11th class also. And along
That is
with that,
nice.
along with that, he is also very good in writing and speaking. He writes thesis also. He writes books also.
मीन्स
so he is
वो
very good.
एट्थ क्लास में है इस समय
Yeah.
काना, और 11th और 12th का मैथ का स्टैंडर्ड को सोल्व कर
11th
लेते हैं.
कंप्लीट हो
जो
चुका है, 12th
yes, yes.
कंप्लीट करने जा रहा है. और
जी.
कंप्लीट भी ये नहीं कि बस उसको ऐसे ही थोड़ा बहुत सीख रहा है. इज वेरी
जी.
गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स.
ओके,
Yeah.
दैट नाइस, कांग्रेचुलेशन काना.
And along with that, he's very good in writing and speaking. Always at when I'm not present in the class, and then when I come to class, I always find him that he's writing something else. So हमेशा ये बिजी रहता है, अपना टाइम बिल्कुल भी वेस्ट नहीं करता है. तो अगर मैं क्लास में नहीं हूँ, डिज़ाइनिंग का कोई वर्क अभी ये नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो उसको सेट करेगा और ये अपना स्टार्ट कर देता है राइटिंग करना. साथ साथ में उसका राइटिंग हमेशा चलता रहता है.
सो काना अपना
he's very
टाइमिंग बिल्कुल भी
interested. He's
वेस्ट
very
नहीं
interested
करते
in
हैं.
writing also.
ओह दैट्स
Yeah.
गुड. और इस समय कान्हा जो आजकल की उम्र में बच्चे खेलते हैं और बच्चे अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, कुछ गेम्स में स्पेंड करते हैं, कुछ इधर उधर, लेकिन उसी समय कान्हा अपने रोबोटिक कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर रहा है, वैक्स की तैयारी कर रहा है. यहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर सीखने के लिए आया है कैट सेंटर के अंदर, और सॉलिड वर्क्स और फ्यूजन 360 ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर और लैंग्वेजेस, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पे काम कर रहे हैं कान्हा. तो कान्हा, आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट, वुड यू लाइक टू गिव सम एडवाइस टू टूडेज चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, so
Yes.
the biggest piece of advice I would like to offer to really the next the growing generation, my generation, is don't fall into the rat race. Do something unique. You see, everyone is doing those robotics competitions, those math competitions, and they're working really hard. The thing is, you are not going to one up the other person in each and every category. Do something unique that stays with you and that you could shine bright.
So Kana, I want to know how should children prepare for studying abroad, and would you like to tell them what they should study?
Yeah, so for example, whatever field you are good in, do it in the concept of what you should study, because the field you're good in is where you'll get accepted. If you really show a passion for something, that is what colleges abroad are looking for. They're
Yes.
not looking for a test course, they're not looking at your J result, they are looking at your passion. If you want to study abroad, focus on your passion. Don't fall into the trap of competitive exams, shine in your passion. If your passion, for example, is crocheting, crochet many things. Start a crocheting business, then you will get a scholarship and you will live a successful life abroad. And maybe in the future you may make tons of money to impact India and empower the youth of
Yeah,
India.
great.
Thank you Kana. And last question from you, what do you want to become in your future life?
Okay, so currently I'm working on small goals. Currently, the next step I have to look towards is, first of all, finding my passion. From my passion, selecting a good college course. I feel like, based on its criteria, the Caltech course Business Economics and Management would be, well, a pretty good fit for me. That's why I'm taking the courses necessary. I'm working hard to achieve a spot in that program. So what I become as a person when I grow up, it is determined by lots of factors. What I choose to do after completing this course, I really want to do something on the big scale, not get a small job and start working for a good salary. I want to make a difference. I want to be someone who everybody likes.
Yeah, actually he has talked about Caltech, means he is preparing to get syllabus and for California University.
Yes, yes, sir.
And after completing his graduation from California, then he will go further ahead for Howard University.
He wants to study from California.
California.
Okay.
And after that, Howard University.
Howard
he's preparing
University.
for that.
Doing master.
Yeah, he's already preparing for that to get admission there.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
And congratulations for that. So at the end, I would like to say to wish you all the best for your bright future, and may you progress a lot and make your parents and this country proud in the future. सो अंकित सर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे कान्हा के बारे में? कुछ हमारे जो
कान्हा के बारे में हम
दर्शक हैं उनको
जितना
बताना
भी कहेंगे,
चाहेंगे?
उतना ही कम है। कान्हा बहुत
क्योंकि आप
sincere एक
यस
बच्चा
यस
है
सर,
और अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करना चाहता है। इवन ये अपनी कंट्री के लिए भी बहुत कुछ करना चाहता है। इसके माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट हैं अपने देश को लेके कि अच्छा करना है। इवन ही सम टाइम ये पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात करता है, कई बार ये पॉलिटी के बारे में
अलग अलग मुद्दे पे अभी से इतना
अभी से
मतलब
तो हर चीज पे डिस्कस करता है और उन इश्यूज को समझता भी है और उनको
जी,
स्टडी
जी,
भी करता है, डीप स्टडी करता है, रिसर्च करता है उन चीज़ों पे। गूगल
जी।
पे जाता है कि हम इनका क्या सोल्यूशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं और ये अपने फ्यूचर को लेकर आगे अग्रसर है कि मैं अपने देश के लिए भी कुछ करूं, यूथ जनरेशन के लिए कुछ करूं और अपनी लाइन में तो ये बहुत कुछ कर ही रहा है। एक सिंसियर स्टूडेंट की तरह आगे ये बढ़ता जा रहा है।
तो कान्हा को किस टाइप की आप ब्लेसिंग देना चाहेंगे इन फ्यूचर में? और
ये
कान्हा
मैं
को आप
blessing दूंगा।
आपने पढ़ाया है
मेरा
कान्हा
सबसे
को?
बेस्ट ब्लेसिंग रहेगा कि यार ये वैसे तो सब कुछ अच्छा कर ही रहा है,
यस सर,
बट मैं इसकी गुड हेल्थ के लिए इसको ब्लेस करूंगा कि हमेशा हेल्दी रहे और आगे बढ़ता रहे।
थैंक यू अंकित सर। अंकित सर, आज मैं आपको बता दूं, दिस इज़ ये फर्स्ट वीडियो फॉर आवर यूट्यूब चैनल
Yeah.
टॉक्स विद सिमरनजीत सिंह।
Yes,
तो
yes.
आप सर हमारे दर्शकों के लिए या हमारे लिए आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर?
मैं दर्शकों के लिए कहूँगा कि देख, सर ने जैसे हमें बताया कि ये उनकी फर्स्ट वीडियो है, सबसे लिए तो मैं सर को पहले तो इनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन
बहुत
बोलूँगा।
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
और मैं इस वीडियो का पहला पार्ट बनने जा रहा हूँ, इनके चैनल का फर्स्ट पार्ट मैं रहूँगा, तो उसके लिए भी इनको थैंक यू रहेगा। और दूसरा मैं कहूँगा कि सर जैसे अगर आप क्या करने जा रहे हो, क्या एक्सप्लोर करोगे नई नई चीज़ों पे इंडिया के
Yes,
अंदर,
yes,
न्यू
sir.
जनरेशन को
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
new
हम लेकर
ideas
आएंगे,
को
sir.
लेकर आओगे और आगे फ्यूचर में हम क्या कर सकते हैं। इवन देयर विल बी सो मेनी प्रोग्राम्स, एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम्स, यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर दिस काइंड ऑफ
Yes,
थिंग्स।
yes.
तो चैनल बहुत अच्छा है और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका सब्सक्राइबर मैं ही होने जा रहा हूँ।
थैंक यू
ठीक है,
अंकित
मैं-
सर, एंड थैंक यू बोथ ऑफ यू, मिस्टर कान्हा अग्रवाल एंड मिस्टर अंकित सर।
Yeah.
आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप लोग हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर आए और आप लोगों ने इतना हम लोगों को टाइम दिया।
और
तो
सर,
यस
इसमें
सर,
मैं व्यूअर्स जो हमारे उनको कहना चाहूँगा कि यार आप इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी वीडियो देखते हैं लेकिन एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड और बहुत सारे हमारे देश के मुद्दे हैं जिनको हमें समझना चाहिए। तो यार आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।
थैंक यू अंकित सर।
Yeah, so
Yes.
before closing, what I wanted to say is, in my past few months at Cat Center, everybody has heavily supported me, and I'm really grateful to come across such amazing people. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू कान्हा, थैंक यू। सो ऐसी ही बातचीत और इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें और वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। और हम इस टाइप के इंटरव्यूज़ और ऐसे छोटी छोटी इन्फॉर्मेशंस जो आपके लिए आगे बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव होंगी और कहीं ना कहीं आपके बच्चों के लिए, आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल होने वाली हैं। तो प्लीज़ बने रहिएगा हमारे YouTube चैनल पर और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच एंड सत श्री अकाल।
थैंक यू।
तो कान्हा, थैंक यू फॉर, और आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, अंकित सर स्पेशली और मिस्टर कान्हा अग्रवाल, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो थैंक यू
सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
वेलकम।